I'll pull over.
Okay, what I want you to do is take this, raise your legs. Your other one too, not just one.
This one?
Two. You have two legs.
Okay.
You don't just have. Okay. Oh, Mimi.
Would you like for her to get out of the car?
Yeah, please get out of the car. If she can.
Why don't you go around and help, Ina?
Keep videotaping, Dad.
Gotta unlock the door.
Okay.
How
Okay.
would you
Get
manage
out.
to do that?
Yeah, just get out.
Okay.
She called him
We're gonna
Philip.
restart.
Okay.
All right. Let me fix this.
Oh, she sat on.
Now go back in
Okay.
and sit down.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna close the door. Don't touch that at all.
Okay.
Okay, now we're back. Now I want you to get the seatbelt.
Okay.
And make sure you get this part too. This, right here.
Alright.
I don't see it. Get this.
I'm getting this.
No. It's way over there.
There.
There? No. Okay, there we go.
Yeah?
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 Yeah? Okay.
This is gonna be hilarious, isn't it?
Finally.